Dinhi sa atong regional office. As a rejoinder sa ato ang guest, sa atong speaker for this morning, I did post sa ato ang group chat sa Messenger, 6 habits of sa six habits. Basahan niyo to sa may rejoinder sa timely kayo na topic sa ato ang speaker for this Monday's convocation. Okay. So I have talking points, 9 talking points. So kaya tikas pahinga. First is this Liu Papo. Have you heard about Liu Papo?
Yes, sir.
Liu Papo actually has part in my heart because my memory serves me right. Dili na ba ko sa regional office? Akong inanak sa kasal, si... Limot ako. Hindi ko na. Bahulo. The Bahulo couples. Wala din? Wala sa karon. If my memory serves me right, dinhi ko na-assign sa regional office. And then, na-assign ko as District Fire Marshal sa Cagayan City. Ila kong i-invite nga magtabangan ng Liu Papo, cancer patients, mga bata. So, I thought, sige, just like any other na naghatag lang tag support, bakit na ngayon tabang. Pero when I visited the place, that's where my muna ko na-touch akong heart because nooy itong mga bata dito, mga cancer patient, pagkatapos nandito ilang mga parents na tinabang helpless mo. So, purposely this morning, ako ang i-mention because they sent me a letter asking for help. Because actually, dili sila gapangayo, they are preserving their dignity. So, ang ilaha is na sila yung mga activity, tapos this time, ang letter is nasa raffle for a cause. I am reaching for your thanks heart na magtabang din. It is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. It is just like that I know they did help. They called Liu Papo actually is a Leukemia Parents and Patients Organization located at San Salvador, Cagayan City. These kids are leukemia patient. So they needed help for day-to-day. So ang ilahang raffle ticket is only 100 pesos. And then, the grand draw will be on September 27. Wala pa diri ang ilang ticket, nananghid lang sila. So sana makatabang mo. Ako po, dili ko mo kalikod ani kay I've been reaching to them dugay na tapos karon na ako din So again, I will be helping them again in my own capacity. So, katong pwede mo tabang, sana makatabang po mo. So that's all on Liu Papo. Another one is, we also have an invitation in here coming from cute lang ha. Tapos tayo isa ka invitation din coming from the parish priest of Cagayan de Oro City. Ayan. Considering that the parish, the St. Augustine Metropolitan Cathedral has a lot of activities this week, because of the fiesta and the Novena for the patron saints. So, Reverend Monsignor Raul Ricacho sent me a letter asking for help. Again, this is not mandatory. I know Father Ricacho because I headed in St. Augustine Parish. I'm one member of a charismatic community, and I once headed the community for 4 years. So, considering I have 100 or so more members, mga activity na mo dito ko gakamit lang sa Ricacho sa San Jose Seminary sa taas. So, that is why he asking me for a help. Dili siya mandatory, but dito siguro sa mga Catholics. Sa mga Catholics, can we help an invitation for offering for the 7th Diamond Jubilee of the Archdiocese of Oro City. That would be on August 26, Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. So kung makadala tayo itong offering during the Novena, that would be highly appreciated. So it is not mandatory, but I'm asking for your indulgence. Okay, let's talk about our trabaho. Third is, we have a memo. I purposely intend to discuss this here. First is the implementation of PAP Overseas Cup. Kita naman siguro yun I purposely discussed this morning because anandan bago na to i-post sa group chat. Okay man. Pero mas maayos ma-discussan. Di po ba? Ma-disseminate ka na. Ma-announce properly. So, you read this Overseas Cup. When to use of the Overseas Cup during academic trainings, during travel abroad, non-ceremonial functions, external meetings or seminars, when command specifies its use. When not to use, during ceremonial or formal occasions, New Year's Call, for example, BP Anniversary, Recognition Day. Another is when receiving awards or for formal recognition, not to use during receiving awards or formal recognition. When attending hearings or deliberations, during other activities where use of specific prescribed headgear is required in official order. Authorized uniform. The Overseas Cup shall be worn. It shall not be used with any other uniforms. At least klaro na siya. Any question?